Ayun, hello po.
Yan. So, what makes you feel blue? And ano yung ginagawa mo para mawala yung feel?
What makes you feel blue? Gusto niyo sumagot, Alexi? What makes you feel blue?
Ako siguro nung ginawa ni Kuya Maki.
Yung ano?
Yung ano?
Ayaw mo ka. Nalungkot ka doon? Hindi ka naman nalungkot.
Nalungkot ako doon kasi about sa story na, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung super nakakadala ng emotion po kapag pinapakinggan niyo yung ano, yung bagong kanta po ni Maki, Bughaw.
Okay, thank you, Kaja. Huwag ka malungkot, bro. Andito kami para sa'yo. Ikaw?
For me po, sobrang ako natuwa nung nirelease ni Kuya Maki yung Bughaw. Kasi, of course, like, stereotypically, blue is associated with sad, mga sobrang sad na emotions, ganun. Pero, the way he interpreted it, tas with the message pa about the friendship, pati yung long-lasting na love, sobrang ano niya, nostalgic. It's like painfully but beautifully nostalgic. Parang halo siya ng, pag nagkaka-nostalgia siya, pag nagkaka-nostalgia ka, parang naalala mo yung memories mo dati. They may be good memories, they were beautiful, they felt nice, pero at the same time, ouch, may ano, but medyo calm din siya. May pagka, it's like a calm theme, if that makes sense.
Yeah. Actually, nasabi mo lahat yung feeling song. And yung question ko is,
What makes you feel blue?
what makes me feel blue? And how do I handle it? Sabi ko. Siguro po ang pinaka-kinakalungkot ko ngayon is, actually wala, masaya po ako. Hindi, siguro moments of, kasi no matter how happy we can be or get, there always gonna be a day where you can be sad. Nang walang dahilan. Nang walang dahilan, you're just gonna dalaga yung kumot sa sarili mo bago ka matulog. And you're surprised because you're crying. Diba? May mga ganun po tayong moments. And ako, ganun po ako. Sometimes, may mga ganun ako moments. Bigla na lang akong iiyak. Bigla na lang po ako nalulungkot. But, how I handle it, siguro, yun yung big thing. Paano mo hinahandle yung mga ganung bagay? And paano, pag nangyayari yung consistently, di ba? How do you handle it? I think, ako, at the moment, I don't push away my tears. I don't push away my emotions. I let feelings be feelings. Because you have to feel your feelings, di ba? And these emotions are made to be felt, but not always. So whenever I feel na parang lagi ako nalulungkot, I need to do something. I need to do something for myself. I'm not gonna sit there and cry all day and all night, every day. You have to do something. And I always do something. It may be the moments I share with my friends na I'm gonna call them. Kasi yung mga ganong moments, dapat talaga, tinatawag mo yung kaibigan mo. Diba? And for sure, they're just waiting for you. Nahinihintay ka lang nila din na tumawag or mag-text. Kasi namimiss ka rin nila, pero ayaw nilang sirain yung busy schedule mo, baka mamaya, diba? Mga ganon eh. Pero yeah, I always tell my friends and I always hug my cat whenever it happens.
Do you also turn to music every time?
Oh yes, ayan. Actually yan po, tama po. Diba? Kayo po si Maki. Actually yun po, ito yung pinakamalaki kong ba. So ano ba nalilimutan mo minsan yung mga ganyan ko. Pero ano po, mostly, ayan, actually, in order for me to feel my feelings more, kasi pag umiiyak po ako, gusto ko naiiyak lahat. Ganyan po ako. So makikinig po ako ng mga kanta na mas nakakaiyak. Call it comfort? Hindi. I actually have these playlists if you guys want to check it out, and you can follow me on Spotify if you want to be updated sa mga playlists ko. I have this playlist, it's called Blue Hour. Actually, bago ko pa nagawa itong Bughaw, I made this playlist for myself. Kasi itong Blue Hour gives me solace and gives me the right amount of tears na nafe-feel ko sa sarili ko whenever I listen to this playlist. So kung gusto nyo i-check yun, check nyo yung playlist ko, maganda yun. And also, I put clues lagi sa mga playlist na nilalagay sa Spotify. So yeah, I listen to music a lot. Ayun po. Thank you po.